Maybe it should, huh? If you want to do thin line, you pick really thin strings of your weaver gel. If you want thicker, you pick a thicker one. I like it thin to myself, but sometimes I like it thick as well, so it's really depends. Just keep going, whatever you want. Okay, good. I'm gonna clean the cuticle. Clear this one, flash clear first. Oh, this one is so adorable. Purple touch. Really, really adorable. They're so trendy. We're bringing really cool trendy colors like the neutral we did. Did we? I think we did it earlier. And then Chicky is really super cute as well. Oops, sorry. What a 40. Hold on. Wrong one. I have on the top of my Louis Johnson. Wait. You grab it. You hear that? I have 1,000 items in here, so I can't wait to show. Okay, I'm gonna have weaver gel. No, I know. I want more colors. I want more. This one is one of my favorites too, turquoise, and my teal. I like them all. I don't know. It's like teal. It looks like aqua though. Whatever you want to call, but this one gonna be a color of the years on the next year 2021. Just keep in mind AI aqua, artificial intelligence aqua.
So I guess robots next year they like.
So you're gonna start like if you are for next year. So we sneak peeks we're gonna have is color of years is 2021 mix in aqua, which is gonna be a color of the years of next year. You're gonna start seeing your clients gonna be asking for a lot for a color of the years. We have a lot of love and supports from a color of the year 2019 and 2020, which is 2019 is Living Coral. And color of the year 2020 is classic blues. A lot of people love this. Myself, I love them both colors. So we still keep it up even in 2 years, but that's still really like really lovely colors that everybody can wear. It doesn't matter, it has to be in color of the years. So, all right, so I'm gonna do that one right here, and I'm gonna do a couple leaves right after. So what I'm gonna do, I am going to put the condensed glue gels, and I'm gonna place my cute Handcrafted rose, and this is adorable colors. I absolutely love it. It's so sweet. Give it a little bit thicker base. All right. And for this, I'm gonna do the no wipe top coat. Just a little hints right there. And pick up my rose. So cute. Right there. Do it right in the middle. Super cute with even short nails. All right, I want it in the center. Look like it's good. Give it a little bit, wiggle a little bit, so then the base will get into your condensed glue gels. There you go. Flash cure this. Look at how cute the details of the petals is. All right, so cure first. We'll make sure we stay flat so it looks nice. And I am going to using this Should I do a light emerald or should I do the deep green? If you want two of this and make your
Do darker green.
huh?
Sure.
Darker green.
Sure.
Or if you want to make it like between these two colors, you can absolutely mix that as well. I'm going to show you because we did it before. Just in case that you are not seeing it for the last video, we did it before. I'm going to pick just a little bit. I have the emerald green here. I'm going to mix a little bit of my deep green, this green. And then you see I mix this like a more hold on, let me do this, it's better. You see I mix a more a bigger amount of it. It's gonna turn out, you see that how darker it is? Can you smooth it? You see that between these colors and this color, so it gets like a green between. There you go. I am going to do this one. I need to get a bigger leaves. Lighter green. And I'm gonna get just a little bit darker green to have an ombre. Who was that questions earlier? Just in case that you can do this ombre like that. Just dip just a little bit in alcohol. You don't need a whole lot. You don't want your flower to be so wet looking. We also have the leaves, you know, like handcrafted as well, pre-made. However, it's so much fun to molding your own leaf. It's just using the tips. All you need to do is using that tip of your Dual 3D brush, and you can mold that. And the edges of your tip of the silicones, especially we do this 3D design especially for our 4D. It's so perfect shape and size. So I'm using a tip of this and then just slip up a little bit on the leaves right there, if you can see that. Hey Matthew. Okay, so let's move on to the next one. And then smaller. Just like a lighter and darker. Or if you leave it alone, it's like you can do a darker and lighter, it doesn't matter. This is like, I just want to show you how you can really easy to create the lighter shade and the ombre of your flowers or the leaf that you would like to. I didn't want to do smaller leaf because I want to balance with these cute flowers. Even though this nail is short, but we'll go all the way out. I like that. I feel like I'm quiet today. I'm not talking too much. Even though I talk all the time. It's weird though. But I have full energy. It's so weird because I think I'm just fascinating. I have so much I want to share. And I feel it's so limited because I don't want everybody to get like bored of the content. But in the meantime, it's, oh my God, I wish I'm going to stream for 8 hours and you'll be here. You in and out. You take a nap, come back, see me. I'll go and have dinner with husband and the kids and come back and see me. Don't worry, I have some food and some drink. That'll be cool. Because I have so many, there are so many new things that I can't wait to see. And so many. I really want sneak peeks with a lot of you with so many things. But then you're gonna kill me because I will spill the beans. You want more? You can do more. Should we do more? Then you don't see a weaver gel. Maybe tiny one. Okay, tiny. I promise, tiny one. Okay, so I will get just a little bit of this. And just a little bit because this tiny one. And I'm gonna get part of this one. So let me put it in. I just want just little one. Right there. So I told you I'll do the smaller one. I feel like some frozen there. Alright. That's all. But you can, there's no other way. You can do here if you want to. Or I have 40 and I can put that 40s once like here. But it looks so good though. But it doesn't get anything to go in with this. Maybe we should put some crystal on it. Oh, you know what I'm gonna do? Baby mix jars, and I have some pink or purple or something like that. I can get that. Okay, hear this one for a second.